Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, June 10, 2022. We had a big down day yesterday. We broke down from a consolidation area, closing down at the lows of the session, getting our biggest decline in a couple weeks. So that's what we're going to be looking at this morning, is what has happened following a large decline like we saw yesterday. So what I'm going to do here is select all four instruments, and I've got the intraday open as the setup here. The trade type is long, which means it is getting long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. It's exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Currently, the overnight session is consolidating right around where we close. So we've tested higher, we've tested lower, and currently we're trading right around the prior session closing price. I have no idea if we're going to gap up or down this morning. So what I'm going to use is this gap size as a percentage of the 5-day ATR. And I'm going to say that the gap is less than 20% of the 5-day ATR. So for the S&P today, that's going to equate to about 15 points in either direction, up or down. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library. I'm going to say yesterday was the largest decline in the past 10 trading sessions. So that is available in the active today. It's the very bottom option down here under the unique moves. Day after largest decline in 10 days. I just clicked on that. Here's where it comes from. And you can see it's been added to the test up above. All right, lastly, I'm going to go to the indicators library. I'm going to put us in a similar market environment. We closed below a 10, below a 200-day simple moving average. I've grabbed both of those, and now I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when the prior session is the largest close-to-close decline of the past 10 sessions. It took place below a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. And then the following day, you have a flat open, which I've described as a gap less than 20% of the 5-day ATR in size. And again, for today, the S&P 20% of the 5-day ATR is going to be about 15 points in either direction from the prior closing price. Historically, we've got 43 samples here in the S&P. We've got 54 in the NASDAQ, 48 in the Dow, 61 in the Russell. Win rates on these are all skewed a little bit towards the downside. So ES, 44%. The NASDAQ coming in 46%, the Dow 46%, the Russell 43% of these have closed above the opening print for the session. When we look at the average moves, very similar in size here for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a larger average loss. The Dow, very similar in size here for moves higher and moves lower. And then the Russell has a larger average win compared to its average loss. So we're mixed on the average moves, but all the win rates are just slightly weak here historically following this largest decline in 10 trading sessions. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.